Tree. I had just spent the night in a coral and cacti Joshua Tree bungalow. It is gorgeous. It is my favorite color, which is like a nice rustic terracotta salmon pink. Kind of reminds me of a Barbie Dreamhouse. Barbie Western Dreamhouse.
And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a dog, but I still
Known as Ken's Mojo Dojo Casa House.
Honestly, this bungalow with all its seating is just the perfect place to find rest and peace, especially in a place like the desert. I found this at a good price on Airbnb for about $99 a night, but after fees and everything, it came out to $177 for a night. And we're about a 10-minute drive from the visitor center of Joshua Tree, so we're super close to the national park here, which is nice. It's so cozy! So without further ado, here's a tour of the Airbnb. Okay, so you start off by pulling into this long dirt road that eventually ends up on Moonstone Lane, where you see this beautiful cacti sanctuary with a fully furnished patio, all from Anthropology. And as you can see, there's a wood-fired oven. Unfortunately, we couldn't use it because it was way too windy outside. So we ended up making pizza inside, as you'll see later in the video. And as we enter this beautiful home, it's all salmon pink or coral, yes, coral. And the kitchen is just fully stocked, which is amazing. You can see it's got all the soaps and the gold detailing on everything, gold and bronze, rosy, rustic red. There was a lot of like books on recipes for pizza and different pizzas and also other cuisines, and a really cute pink microwave, which I loved. Oh my gosh, all the pink cups and mugs and things were just so cute, everything matching. And all the spices, they had all the spices and all the pots and the pans. This is literally a chef's kitchen. It's just got everything you need to blend things, bake things. You can bake cakes and cook so many different dishes in this. And a toaster and like a really nice hand mixer, hand blender. And yeah, a table with more books of pizza recipes. Then we get to the living/sleeping area. So it's kind of like a studio, and all the furniture matches. And there's this cute bookshelf filled with games and books and teas and candles and everything you could need. And like also margarita mixer things. I don't know. I don't really drink, but there you have it if you want it. Then a beautiful king-size bed. Then we enter the backyard area where there is a nice shower, gold shower, which matches all the gold detailing inside as well. And a hot tub, which you can set to about 104 degrees Fahrenheit. And some more seating on the side of the house, in addition to the patio. What do you know? Amazing. Then we enter the big bathroom, which has a shelf of all the towels and things that you could need, and also a washer and dryer, which is quite nice if you are staying long term. A big old sliding door. Not very private, but it's okay. Hey guys, there's me. And there's a double-headed shower, also gold to match everything, which I only ever see at spas and nice hotels, so that's pretty cool. And there you have it. Okay, now it's time to chill and enjoy the place, so I decided to make a pot of tea for me and Ephraim. They had sencha green tea, which smells amazing. And if you didn't know, Ephraim is Italian, and he knows pizza making by heart, so he got the dough ready for tonight because it had to sit and rise. So here's just a quick little tutorial of the recipe. Then we let the dough sit for a few hours as I chilled and read one of the books that they had in the Airbnb. It was East of Eden by John Steinbeck, and then Ephraim just edited some videos in the kitchen dining area, and it was just so peaceful watching the sunset And they also had a record player, so we were just vibing to some Jimmy Clifton and a bunch of other artists. Then we started to make pizza, so I helped with the cleaning because he is the chef. He is the chef today. So this is Ephraim just rolling out the pizza dough and making a delicious dinner for the both of us. We're just vibing and making pizza. I'm just watching. Moral support. So we brought most of our pizza ingredients because we are gluten-free, but the Airbnb host kindly provided pizza dough in the fridge and olive oil and salt and all the spices that you need. We brought our own tomato sauce. I had gone to Trader Joe's before we took our little road trip here and made sure we were fully stocked. We topped our pizza with vegan mozzarella cheese, olives, and onion. Normally we also like to add vegan pepperoni. Trader Joe's has a pretty good vegan pepperoni.
We'll clean it next time.
Then it was time to do a taste test. Then it was time for dessert. Conveniently enough, there was a propane power bonfire pit outside, so we can make s'mores without having to gather wood. And it was super easy. You just have to start it like a gas oven. And it was super windy, so we didn't stay out for too long. After we came back inside and got ready for bed, we decided to play Scrabble for a little bit. They also had Clue, which was cool, and poker. Then we got ready for bed and got a good night's sleep. Was honestly the highlights, as well as all the furniture from Anthropology. I am a fan of wickery, as I do have some of that in my bedroom at home. There's a beautiful day bed and a king size bed, so honestly you can stay here with your friends and there's plenty of room. And if the weather is nice and it's not too cold in the desert, I would honestly sleep here outside on the porch and stargaze all night. Although I don't know what desert animals are lurking around, so maybe that's not the safest. I guess we'll see when we go camping tonight. Good morning, y'all. The next day we woke up at sunrise to use the hot tub because the wind had died down overnight. I wanted to show a shot of me using the outdoor shower and then somebody left it on the bottom sprayer. And we stayed in there for about a half hour just watching the sunrise and just hearing all the sounds of nature. The ultimate getaway. Then after getting ready for the day, we decided to try out the beanbag toss. Throwback to us playing basketball on the cruise ship. Then time for a nice morning coffee. And even though we are matcha and tea drinkers, I love the smell of coffee, especially fresh ground coffee. We decided we wanted to try the Chemex that they had in the Airbnb, which was so fancy. I don't know if y'all have ever used a Chemex, but you have to fold the filter in this interesting way, which took way too long to figure out. And enjoyed my cup of coffee soaking in the warmth of the sun before having to go. Goodbye. Goodbye. I'm not crying, you're crying. I wish this was my home. If you just subscribed, welcome to my crew. We are on a long adventure of travel, fun, minimalism, and just having a good time. Well, now time to leave this beautiful Airbnb. So sad, because tonight we're gonna be camping. So if you wanna see that, head over to the next video, and I'll see you there. It's a little windy today.
Stay in the center. Feel
Freezing! California is supposed to be hot, and it was hot yesterday. Be still! No, it didn't work. Be still! I'm smoking! Uh-oh. No, I'm kidding. Chips on top of the pizza? One of your viewers is gonna see this.
This is just crunchy fine food, right? And I'm in America, so I can do whatever I want.
You're laughing at me? Hey.